Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and in this video we're going to be looking at what's in this box. This box I've been waiting for quite some time, at least the components in the box for quite some time. A lot of things fell through, obviously because of shortages, issues, shipping, delays, what have you, but I finally got my hands. Huge shout out to Crypto Mikkel and Nemesis, right, who are really doing good. I'll have links to their individual channels because Crypto Mikkel and Nemesis have their own individual YouTube channels. They are a part of the DCA Adventure family, but you should definitely check out their channels down below. Nemesis is a hard work guy. He's a man after my own heart. Does a lot of tearing down PCB, deep dives, repairs, stuff like that. Crypto Mikkel is my go-to for Flux and many other things. Really good people. They sent me some stickers, so I got some DCA Adventure stickers and some OG stickers of my own. Thank you, Crypto Mikkel, for sending that over, and Nemesis, and of course these two packages. Obviously they're really small, so you can probably tell what they are. If you can't tell what they are, what you're going to see is something here in just a moment that might just give it away, and that is these connectors right here. Of course, I need to open up these two things right here and we could take a better look at what's in it, and I'm just excited to finally have them. Now, let's just say that, okay? All right, so with the packaging removed, you can see these are the RTX A2000 GPUs. You know, more of a workstation, a low-end workstation GPU, but many in the crypto mining community would say this is one of the most efficient GPUs out there. Really tiny cooler compared to some of the latest gen GPUs, but it fits right in with some of the classic ones. Look at that, the old school ATI, about the same size. Obviously a bigger cooler, blower cooler, but it is a little bit of a bigger cooler. Thermals are going to be a problem with this card, especially here in Florida, but I have some plans for these cards, and I'll give you a hint. But another day, another time, because right now I just want to get these in the Octominer rig, get them hashing away, get some baselines, and then later on we will be looking at seeing what we could do with these GPUs. I'm probably going to get the Cool My GPU memory plate to keep the memory thermals a little bit better. Maybe I just replace the thermal pads because I got plenty of those. Don't have enough, I guess. Actually, you know what? GPU risers, Vistang. If you want to send me some thermal pads, I am completely open to it. I've been seeing those lately on some of the content creators, but I have not received, and those apparently have better thermal efficiency than even the Thermal Grizzly thermal pads. So I'll be very interested to see how those work out when I have to refresh my GPUs. But anyways, A2000s, I got two of them, one for testing and then one for baseline. That's the goal, that's the game plan. Thank you, Crypto Mikkel, thank you, Nemesis, for allowing me to have these GPUs in my possession. I've been trying to get my hands on these for quite a while, but obviously there was multiple delays, issues, supply, no fault of the individuals I was working with, but just overall, the situation was bad, but it is getting better, and we'll see how things go. So now I'm going to be officially filled up. All the rigs in my mining tent are going to be full. The Octominer rig, the only thing is I can always add that 6 GPU frame in the corner there to the top, and then I'll say I'm done, but you know it's never done in crypto mining, ladies and gentlemen. Anyways, do me a favor, on the way out, hit the like button, don't forget to get subscribed, hit the notification bell, and check out some links in the description to help support the channel, like the dogeroar.com, where you can get some sweet SerpentX merch, stickers, and more. And I will catch you in the next one. Take care.